In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email a folder in Outlook, or how to attach a folder to an email in Microsoft Outlook. Outlook doesn't allow you to attach a folder directly to an email, so we'll use a simple workaround. The idea is to compress your folder into a single zip file, then attach that zip like any other file. Zipping bundles everything inside the folder into one package, keeping the structure intact and making it easier to send. Start by creating a zip of the folder you want to share. Use any compression tool you prefer. Built-in system options or third-party tools like 7-Zip or WinRAR all work fine. Make sure the zip includes everything you need and give it a clear name so the recipient knows what it is at a glance. Next, open Outlook and create a new message. Click New Mail to open a blank email window. With the new message open, go to the ribbon at the top and select Insert. Click Attach File, then choose Browse this computer. This ensures you're picking a file directly from your device rather than recent items or cloud locations. Navigate to the place where you saved your zip file, select it, and click Open. You should now see the zip listed as an attachment in your email. If you attached the wrong file by accident, you can remove it and repeat the same steps to pick the correct zip. Add your recipient in the To field and write a clear subject line such as the project or folder name so the purpose of the email is obvious. In the email body, briefly explain what's in the zip and any context the recipient needs, like where to find key files inside the folder. It's helpful to note that it's a zip attachment so the recipient knows to extract it after downloading. Before sending, glance at the attachment size. Many organizations have size limits for email attachments, and very large zip files may be blocked or take a long time to send. If your zip seems too big, consider removing any unnecessary files from the folder and compressing it again to keep things efficient. When everything looks good, click Send. Your email will go out with the folder included as a zip attachment, and the recipient can download and unzip it on their end to access all the contents. That's it. Quick, reliable, and compatible across systems. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future uploads.